Welcome you all to Maths College. We are going to today discuss with you the number pattern and also about type of number. What is our topic? You can see here types of numbers and number pattern. This lesson for you relevant grade 6 students. Okay. Many number of patterns and type of numbers in the numbers world. Today, my dear student, I am going to discuss with you about some type of numbers among them. First one is even number and odd number. What is even number? What is odd number? Okay, look at the board. Even number and another topic is odd number. Here you can see 4 mangoes. This mangoes, oranges, and here mangoes and oranges. We have to make parcel 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Therefore, then these 2 mangoes for one parcel and another 2 mangoes for another parcel. Here 2 parcel, no remainder mango. And second example, here you can see oranges. 3 parcels made by 2 by 2. No remainder. Of this, here 1, 2, 3 mangoes. For one parcel 2 mangoes and you can see here 1 remainder. And another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. These 5 oranges, here 2 parcels, but one orange. One orange is remain. That means 2 parcels and 1 remained. Can you see? That means here 2 by 2 mean divided by 2. When divided by 2, my dear student, no remainder. No remainder. We called like these numbers. What is even number? Even number. Then when divided by 2, 1 remainder we call like that numbers. What is odd number? Odd number. Okay. We can learn further about even number and odd number next. Okay. Ready for it? Yes. Now you have some number. We are going to divide into two types for odd numbers and even number. Look at this. Of this rectangle, you can see in the rectangle some numbers. These numbers you have to separate in two types, even numbers and odd numbers. What is the even number? Now we know what is the even number. When divide by 2, no remainder, that is even number. That means, my dear student, what is? The number is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 2. That number is to call even number. That means the number not divisible by 2. That is a odd number. Okay. First number is here 2. 2 when divided by 2, answer is 1, no remainder. That means 2 is divisible by 2. Therefore, for even number, 2 is correct. And consider 5. When divided by 2, what happened? Answer is 2, 1 remainder. Answer is 2, 1 remainder. Therefore, 5 goes to as a odd number. Like this 8, when divided by 2, what is answer? 8 divided by 2, 4. No remainder. Therefore, 8 for even number. Then 4. When divided by 2 is answer is 2, no remainder. 4 is even number. Then consider 3. What is the answer? What is 1 and 1 remain. Therefore, 3 is a odd number. Then 7. 7 is divided by 2. What is answer? 7 divided by 2. What is? Answer is 3. 3 multiplied to 6. 1 remainder, no? 1 remainder. Therefore, with remainder, that is odd numbers. 7 goes to odd numbers. Then 6 divided by 2, answer is 3. That means even number. Then 9, when divided by 2, 1 remain. Therefore, 9 is odd number. Then 1, only 1. Can't divide by 2. Therefore, 1 also odd number. That means 1 also odd number. 1 is a first odd number. 1 is a first odd number. Then consider 10 should be even number, no? Divisible by 2. Then 11 not divisible by 2. Therefore 11 is odd number. And finally 12. 12 is divisible by 2. That means, my dear student, 12 also even number. Okay? Yes. Okay. When consider of these numbers, here you can see 1 to 12 numbers. Then making as ascending order here. What is the first one? Yes, 2. Then 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. The next one, odd numbers. When making as ascending order, what is mean ascending order? Smallest one to biggest one. Smallest one to biggest one. What is the smallest one here? Yes, 1. One, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. You can observe some special thing here with the number of letter of the word of even and second even number. Okay? And number of digit of word odd and second odd number. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. E-V-E-N. 4 letters. And also second even number is 4. Another special features 1, 2, 3. O-D-D. 3 letters. For second odd number also has the value is 3. Okay? I think you identify that characteristics of this word and second odd number and even word and second even number. You can keep your mind how to identify even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, you can see on the board the last digit is 24680 of the number that is even numbers. That means, my dear student, last digit is of the number 2, 4, 6, 800. That number is even number. As an example, you can consider 200. 200. The last digit is 0. Therefore, 200 is even number. When consider another example, 114. 114. What is last digit? 4. Therefore, 114 is even number. Then, another star mark, the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 of the number. That is odd number. That is odd number. As an example, 100 13. 113. Yes, 3 is last digit. Therefore, my dear student, that number odd number. When consider 47. 47. 7 is last. 7 is odd number. Therefore, 47 also odd number. Okay. Now you identify what are the even number, what are the odd numbers. Then I'm going to explain to you addition, subtraction, multiplication and division each even numbers and odd numbers, what happen about the answer. Okay. Now we are going to discuss what happen adding even numbers each, odd numbers each and even odd numbers. Okay, firstly consider adding two even numbers. Adding two even numbers. As an example, what is take? 2 addition 6? Yes. 2 is even number. 6 is even number. 2 addition 6 is 8. 8. Even number. Even. Addition even. Answer also what happened? Answer also even. Think another example accordingly your choice. 10 addition 2. 10 is a even number, 2 also even number. 10 addition 2 is 12. 12 also even number. Yes, this is statement true. Even addition even, answer also even. Then next, adding two odd numbers. Adding two odd numbers. What is the first odd number? 1. Second odd number? 3. What is the answer? 4. What happened? Odd number addition to odd number. Answer is even number. We can consider another example. 5 addition 9. 5 addition 9. 5 is odd number. 9 also odd number. What is answer? 5 addition 9 is 14. 14. What happened? Odd, 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 odd. Answer is even. Answer is even. Okay. Even, even, even. Odd, odd, even. Sum of two even numbers. Even number is answer. Sum of two odd number also. Answer is even number. Then we can consider sum of even numbers and odd numbers. What happened? We can get idea by using an example. Odd number here, therefore 5. Even number we can get as 2. 5 addition 2 is 7. 5 addition 2 is 7. And another example, we can get another example also. What is 7? 7 addition as as an even number. What is 6? Yes, 6. 7 addition 6 is 7 to 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No? Answer is 13, Puti. Answer is 13. What happened? When addition, odd number and even number, answer is Puti. What is? Answer is odd number. Odd number. I think now you have an idea about when adding even numbers to each and odd numbers to each and differently, separately, odd and even, what happened? Even, 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 odd, odd, even, but odd addition even number is, what is? Odd number. Okay? Good. Okay. Then we learned about adding with even numbers and odd numbers. Now, what happens when subtracting? Here, subtracting two even numbers. Consider an example, even numbers, 6 subtraction 4. What is the answer? 2. 6 is even number, 4 is even number, answer also even number. Even number subtraction even number, answer also even number. Okay? Then subtracting two odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? Consider 9 and 3. 9 subtraction 3, 6. 9 subtraction 3 is 6. 9 is odd number, 3 is odd number, answer is 6. What is? Even number. Then subtracting two even numbers and odd numbers. Different type. When consider odd number subtraction even number, 11 subtraction 6. 11 is odd number, 6 is even number. What is the answer? Answer is 5. Answer is 5. That means, what is the answer? What type of answer? Odd number. Answer is odd number. Then another example, odd number subtraction from even number. 8 subtraction 3. What is? Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Even number subtraction, odd number. Answer is odd number. Okay. Now you can get conclusion. What happened here? When adding and subtraction with even numbers only, what happened? Answer also even. Then adding and subtracting two odd numbers each, answer should be even. And other one, when different type, even or odd and odd even each, adding and subtracting, answer is odd numbers. Okay, then we can consider about what happening when multiplying each number. Now we can consider about multiplication with each even number and odd numbers. Okay, firstly multiplying two even numbers. When an example 2 multiply 4, 2 and 4 is even numbers. 2 multiply 4, answer is 8. Answer is 8. Another example, 6 multiply 10, answer also 60. That means answer is 60. What type of number? 8 and 60 answers also even number. Therefore, even number multiplied by even number, answer is even number. Then multiplying two odd numbers. Multiplying two odd numbers. Consider the odd numbers 3 multiplied by 5. What is answer? 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. What type of number? Yes, odd number. 15 is odd number. When consider another example, 7 multiplied by 9. 7 is odd number, 9 is odd number, answer is 63. 63 is odd number. Why? The last digit is odd number, therefore 63 also odd number. We can get conclusion. What is odd number multiplied by odd number is odd number. Okay. Then multiplying odd numbers and even numbers each. Example, odd and even. Odd is 3, even is 4. 3 multiply 4 is 12. 12. 12 is even number. Why? Last digit is 2. Last digit is 2. The last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That number is called even number. Therefore, answer is here even number Puti. And another example, even and odd. When considered as the even, 6 as odd, 5. What is answer? 6 into 5, 30. Last digit is 0. That means 30 is even number. Even number. My dear student, now you know what happened to the answer adding, subtracting each even and odd numbers, and also here multiplication. For dividing, similar for answers when multiplying. Okay, we can go next. Our last part. What is how to write the answers some questions with under the even numbers and odd numbers type. Okay, now you have three questions. Write the answers. I will discuss with you how to write that answers. Question number 1. Select and underline four even numbers. You can select what are the even numbers, then you can underline. Then question number 2, write the type of number for answer as odd or even. That means, accordingly our previous knowledge, when multiplying each even numbers or odd numbers, what is the type of answer as odd number or even number. Okay. Then question number 3, write the odd numbers from 12 to 19. You have to write what are the odd numbers from 12 to 19. Okay, from mean you have to consider the number 12 also. Okay, if you have like between 12 and 19, no need consider 12 and 19. Okay, you have to consider when between, without 12 and 19, the mid numbers only. But you have from to, you have to consider these both numbers also, that here 12 and 19. Okay, I think you have right answers. Now I am discuss with you what are the answers, how to get answers. Okay, look at the board. Select and underline for even number. You know how to identify even number. The last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That is even number. Here 5. Last digit is 5. Odd number. Therefore notice even number. 428. 8 is last digit 8. Even number. Therefore this whole number is what is even number. Last digit is 0 because this is even number. Last digit is again we have 8, therefore even number. Last digit is 1. What type? Odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 as last digit. That number is called odd number, not even number. Then next question number 2. Write the type of number for answer as odd or even. Here multiply each odd, two odd numbers. What is? You can think some example. When consider 3 and 3. 3 multiply 3 is 9. Odd number multiply odd number. 9 mean 9 also odd. Therefore, here similar answer. What is? Odd, odd. Odd is answer. That means odd numbers answer. Here 2 multiply 14. 2 is even number. 14 is even number. You can consider what is our known values. 2 multiply 2 is 4. 2 is even. 4 is even. 2 multiply 4 8 also even. Therefore here answer same. What is even? Okay. Then adding even numbers. Sorry, odd numbers, you can consider your known values. 3 and 3, 3 addition 3 is 6. When 1 and 3, 1 addition 3 is 4. Even numbers, no? Therefore here, adding two even odd numbers, what is answer to a even. Okay? From number 4, or even number subtraction even number. You can consider your known even number 6 subtraction 2. Answer is 4. For same answer for this, what is even? Answer is even. Okay, next 14 subtraction 3. 14 is even number, 3 is odd number. When consider our known values, 6 subtraction 5, 1. That means 1 is odd number. Here also even subtraction odd, that means answer is puta do odd. Okay. Then question number 3. Write the odd numbers from 12 to 19. Write the odd numbers 12 to 19. We have to consider 12 and 19 also, because from 2, but 12 is not odd number. Therefore 13, 15, 17 and 19 also. 19 also. Okay. Today, our lesson, you learn two type of numbers in the number world, even number and odd number, and you identify what is the odd number and even number, and you simplify with operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication with these two type of number. Okay, we will be learn, we can discuss furthermore about type of numbers under the grade 6 knowledge, prime numbers, square numbers and also triangular numbers with our next lesson. Okay, I remember for you, please subscribe our video channel Maths College and also click the bell button. You can join with further with our maths lessons. Okay, my dear student, have a nice future. Goodbye all of you.